Welcome to Advanced Research for the Literature Review, Part 3, Database Searching. In Part 2, we generated search terms to use in the databases, and now we're going to put them together and find relevant articles about your topics. Your goal is to find a balance between relevant results and plenty of results. You don't want zero results, but you also don't want results that aren't really about your topic. If you search the default, which is full text, you're going to get lots and lots of results, but you're also going to get results where your subject is only mentioned on page 10 of the article. If you search the citation and abstract, you're searching the summary, the title field, things like that. So this is usually a nice balance between relevancy and results. Ideally, there will be many articles tagged with the subject that you found in the previous module. However, sometimes if you add many subjects together, you'll get zero results, which isn't what we want either. So you can use different fields for different words. Education is a huge topic, and there's been a lot written about it, so you might want to search that as a subject term. Sustainability is a newer concept. There might not be as many articles about it, so you might want to search for that in the abstract. So there's more articles, but they may be less relevant. This chart just shows you that if you search for sustainable and education as subjects in ProQuest, you're going to get 341 results, whereas if you search that full text, you might get 8,000. So there's a huge difference in the number of results depending on what field you search. You're going to connect your search terms together in a database with the words or, and not. Or expands your search. If you search for horses or equine or mules, you will retrieve articles that mention any of those words. So you use this term for synonyms and related terms. So education or teaching, sustainability or permaculture. And is used to combine your different concepts. So therapy and horses and ADHD only finds those articles that mention all three of these terms. There might not be very many of them. So the more ands you use, the fewer articles you're going to retrieve, but hopefully they will be more relevant. Another thing you can use is truncation. So for example, if you write out the first part of sustainable, putting an asterisk after the B, you'll find all words that branch off of that. Sustainable, sustainability, sustainabilify, if that were a word. The wildcard, where you replace a letter with a question mark, is really not used as frequently as truncation. Another really helpful thing you can do is to put phrases in quotation marks. So sustainable architecture or New York, this looks for those words right next to each other rather than breaking them up, finding new on one page and York on another page. Remember that you don't necessarily need to include all of your concepts in a search. If your topic is about education, sustainability, and cognitive psychology, even articles that are about education and cognitive psychology or education and sustainability would still be relevant for you. Hopefully, you are going to be the one who is writing about the little place where they intersect, and that's your contribution to research. Now I'm just going to show you some example searches. Hopefully this will help you practically see how to do this. So here in EBSCOhost, I went to Advanced Search. I generally like to use the Advanced Search interface because it automatically provides the ands for you and gives you 3 boxes. You can add more boxes if you have more concepts. So in the first box, I'm going to put my first concept, which is homeless, and I can't really think of a lot of synonyms for that, so I'll just leave that there. In the second box, I'm going to put youth or adolescent, and then asterisk, and then or teen asterisk. So teen asterisk will find teenage, teenagers, teens, any word that begins with the letters T-E-E-N. Now in the third box, I'm going to choose not from the drop-down menu and then put New York. So hopefully this would exclude all articles about New York. The problem with this search is that not New York would also exclude any articles that were published in New York, so this may not be the best thing to do. A better thing to do would just be to search for a specific place, so homeless and youth or adolescents or teens and Seattle or and St. Louis. Give me a call or shoot me an email if you have any questions,